What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install DarkOrbit on your PC or laptop fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All you need to do, just open your browser and save DarkOrbit and open this second site and log in on your DarkOrbit account. After you log in on your account like me, you will see home. All you need to do to download and play DarkOrbit on your PC or laptop, move here to download. You will see this, click on it. A new window will open and save your installation. After you download DarkOrbit setup, just open it and go here run. You will see a new window, just go here next. Go next, check this and go install. After you install DarkOrbit on your PC like me, you will see run DarkOrbit. Click here finish. A new window will launch. This is DarkOrbit play window. Log in on your account like me and you will see home. Go here on start and enjoy playing DarkOrbit on your PC or laptop fast and easy. That's it all guys for this video, how to download and install DarkOrbit on your PC free and fast. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.